Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about count and recognize number 41 to 50. How many matchsticks are there? 40. 40. These are 40 matchsticks and here are 4 bundles of 10. These 4 bundles make 40. These 4 bundles make 40. What is this? These are 4 bundles of 10 make 40 and 1 matchstick. So this is 41. 41. F-O-R-T-Y 40. O-N-E-1 41. These are 4 bundles of 10 make 40 and 2 matchsticks. So this is 42. 42. F-O-R-T-Y 40. T-W-O-2 42. These are 4 bundles of 10 make 40 and 3 matchsticks. So this is 43. 43. F-O-R-T-Y 40. T-H-R-E-E-3 43. These are 4 bundles of 10 make 40 and 4 matchsticks. So this is 44. 44. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-O-U-R 44. These are 4 bundles of 10 make 40 and 5 matchsticks. So this is 45. 45. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-I-V-E 5 45. These are 4 bundles of 10 made 40 and 6 matchsticks. So this is 46. 46. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-I-X 46. These are 4 bundles of 10 make 40 and 7 matchsticks. So this is 47. 47. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-E-V-E-N 7 47. These are 4 bundles of 10 make 40 and 8 matchsticks. So this is 48. 48. F-O-R-T-Y 40. E-I-G-H-T 8 48. These are 4 bundles of 10 make 40 and 9 matchsticks. So this is 49. 49. F-O-R-T-Y 40. N-I-N-E 9 49. These are 5 bundles of 10 make 50. 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.